My name is Chris, and I'm the production manager for our forging and heat treating operations here at Scott Forge. I've been an employee owner for 19 years, starting my career in our metallurgy department. Behind me is Big Dell, our 5,500-ton press in Spring Grove. It's just one example of how we've invested to continuously deliver forgings the right way for our customers. At Scott Forge, we're very proud to say that we have designed and built our presses right here in-house to meet your unique demands. Let me take you on a tour of our forging assets across our 3 plants and 2 joint ventures. The Spring Grove, Illinois plant is home to 5 hydraulic open die presses that are some of the largest and most versatile in the country, plus 2 ring mills and 1 ring stretcher ring sizer. At our Clinton, Wisconsin plant, we run 3 hydraulic open die presses, a bar mill, and a hydraulic upsetting press. Our Franklin Park, Illinois plant houses 8 open die pneumatic hammers. Our joint venture, North American Forge Masters in Newcastle, Pennsylvania, has 2 hydraulic open die presses. And Ring Masters, our joint venture in Wayne, Michigan, has 2 ring mills. Together, these assets represent capacity, capability, and asset redundancy that is unmatched in the industry. And of course, what really makes these plants go is the people behind the controls. People like Robert, Randy, Clyde, and Mark, and all the other Scott Forge employee owners who make it happen for you. So put on your hard hat and pay us a visit. We'd be glad to show you around.
See you soon!